Good morning, everyone. Coming to you from
Wrocław.
So today we kind of woke up super early and we went and did some drone footage and went to the market hall. We walked around a little bit. And now we're gonna go across the water and we're gonna go on top of that. I'll tell you one thing for sure, none of these photos or videos do justice. You actually gotta come here. It's so beautiful here and peaceful. I mean, look at the view. Fun little fact about this town, there's got over 300 little gnomes all over the city. People usually do like a scavenger hunt. They go around the city and try to find them and take photos with them. And sometimes you even gotta watch out because you might trip over one because they put them everywhere.
So we started at the market hall over here and I walked all the way there. Now we're over here and we're gonna go to Ostrov. I guess you pronounce it somewhat that way, hopefully. And we're gonna go to the church and we're gonna go to the top of the church to have an amazing view over the whole city.
And where are we staying?
We're staying right there.
Yeah, right in the middle of the city.
Best location.
We're about to enter the church, so I might have to be quiet in there, so I'll just show you what it looks like inside. It's kind of dark. So apparently, it's 40 spiral steps like that, and then elevator. So let's see how much 40 is. You liking it?
For $2 all the way to the top.
So to get up here, it's about 8 zloty per person. Not about, it's 8 zloty per person. That's $2 US. Roughly per person, which is not bad. You take 40 steps, which is not a lot, and the rest they'll take you with lift. But you got an amazing view. Just be careful. Don't put your phone out there because it's gonna fall. When you exit the church, you have to exit through here. How we get down? If anybody knows what this means, please share. Also, this town has a lot of nice restaurants that you can go to, and they're very affordable prices. You can pretty much get a meal for about what, 20 to 30 zlotys, which is zloty, sorry, which is roughly about $10 or so, US.
Not even.
Not even. And you can have a nice meal. So there's tons of restaurants here if you ever want to go food crazy. Alright guys, we just came here, it's in the afternoon here in Wrocław. This is our last night here. We're gonna go check out some of the food scene. There was a nice Mexican restaurant just around the corner, so we're gonna go check that out and see how that is. So, how was your Mexican food?
Oh, delicious. Definitely a recommendation.
That was a good recommendation, and it was a margarita and a chicken quesadilla for about $9 American, which was well worth it. It was a great atmosphere, great food. Now we're in the afternoon, we're sitting in the main market square here, and it's really beautiful. Definitely a change of scenery, a lot of people around, as you guys can see. It's our last night, so we're kind of enjoying the beautiful weather here. We're heading to Krakow tomorrow, so be ready for that vlog. It's going to come to you soon. Sorry if this vlog was kind of small. We're just starting back out again and we've been off for a little while, but stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of content coming from Eastern Europe. We're going to Ukraine,
Moldova, Romania, Bulgaria, Albania, Montenegro, name it.
A lot of them. So please stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe and follow us along and click that little bell button. I should be having a video almost a week. Sorry for the screaming. I can't help that.